Hi, I'm Brian, and I'm going to build a 38-foot sailboat. But before I can start the build of the sailboat, I need to construct a boat shed to build it in. And to build the boat shed, I am now living aboard my 26-foot Thunderbird on the hard at the lot where the boat shed is being built. I know. We got Joshua McKenzie, Alan Mulholland, and my dad here carrying in the rafters to be lifted up. And up top here we have Jason Ellis and Sandy Hartland. Hello. I want to thank Jason for volunteering his time and two of his workers to help me put up the rafters. It was a very large help. It would have been almost impossible for me to do this by myself, or even with the three of us, with Alan and Dad. So thank you very much. It was greatly appreciated.
There you go. Spiraling.
Rafters are up and complete. We've got all 22 of them up, lined up decently well. We got some bracing inside here, lateral on the bottom, X there to hold everything in place. And we'll have to strap the top, which will be the next job. Get it all locked together. We got all these, which are temporary. Again, a wonderful view. So Alan walks all the way over here to grab a block that Dad had carried up the ladder to him. Managed to grab it, carry it all the way back to where it needs to go, and watch what happens next. Nothing like setting up the stage and to do some work. And what we're doing is we're installing the soffits here. All that staging set up to be able to put these on. And then you have to tear the staging all down again. Got the line dug in for the well. McIsaac's backhoe here to dig the trench so it was below the frost level. They had to drill a hole in the well casing where the water line will come up and through on a special bushing. Burying it and trying to compact the shale back down so it won't settle too much. Got the rough in done for the plumbing. Get it inspected and we'll finally be able to pour the floor then. They're installing the pump and the water line, and they have electrical line there to run the pump. It's all attached. At the end of the pump, it fits into a special joint that connects to the other water line, and you can see it right here as it's coming through, and he has to hook that little U-shaped thing on the far side onto the other piece that's in there already. It takes a little bit of a light and a steady hand to be able to get it hooked in. Thanks very much to Gillis Heaton for coming out and doing the rough in. And the metals arrived, so I can finally start putting the metal on the building. Get the trims on this weekend and start the metal next week. Hopefully the temperature will be a little bit less. It's running about 30 degrees with the humidex up to about 37, so we're getting some fairly warm days here. Installing the metal, to do that we have to pre-punch and mark it, and then we drill it in and move our staging along every third or fourth sheet, and it's just not really time consuming, but it does take a little bit of time to do. We're doing fairly good here. Big thanks to my neighbor from up the road. He came and gave me a hand and got this side finished. Had to cut the final sheet and do a few little trims there. And of course, had to admire our handiwork. So we got most of the steel on the building here. There's still some little corner pieces and some more trim to put on, and just a few more pieces to put on. But we got some nice light panels. Should let some light in the working area. And the windows for my living quarter, and down below my bathroom. And we are getting the walls all done, and they're looking pretty good also. The front, the entrance door, and another window in my living space, and the big door, big barn door here too. But we do have it framed over here. I'm just waiting for the hardware to hang it. We got the roof finished and the roof cap on and everything, so roof is tight. So come join me next time as I continue to build the boat shed. Hopefully soon have some living quarters in here. We'll see how that gets along in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and share.